You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Tuesday, May 23rd, and here's what we got coming up for you today. We're going to be talking about Take-Two Interactive and the delay of Red Dead Redemption. We're going to talk about Apple's deal with India. Nokia could be coming back. We've got some Amazon rumors, and we're going to look at a food stock that was a viewer's pick. So each of those is going to be a recap video today posted on YouTube, and that's what we got coming up if you're watching live. So this week we are looking at food stocks to invest in, and I asked for some viewer picks on food stocks, and we've got quite a few of them, quite a few ideas certainly on food stocks to take a look at. So let's take a look at the viewer pick for food stock this week. I had reached out and I asked for some ideas. Yesterday we did Texas Roadhouse. Today we are going to do a viewer pick. Kellogg's is what the suggestion was. So I decided, okay, let's take a look at what Kellogg has to offer. They have one of the strongest brand portfolios out there. I'm going to go over to the website. I mean, Cheez-Its, Pringles. Pringles has moved around from several people owning it, Procter & Gamble and people, but Special K, the Rice Krispies, Pop-Tarts, you name it. Those breakfast cereal brands, they're there, Eggos, Keebler. So they have some strong brands, certainly. The problem with Kellogg's is, to me, they're bought up pretty good right now. 32 times earnings is a little pricey for this sector. They've got a 3% dividend. We like that. They do not have a ton of cash on hands. We'd like them to have a little bit better of a cash pile. Let's pull it out. Little sluggish in their growth. Let's see. Total cash $298 million versus $8 billion in debt. We know large companies like this like to float out their debt and different things. But I'd like them to have a little bit better cash flow. But that's not the reason why people dislike Kellogg's. It's their supply chain has always been an issue. If you look at where their supply chain performance ranks, it underperforms against their peers. I'll put a link in the description where they're actually actively taking on their supply chain. And this article over at TradeGecko talks about in detail their strategy for turning their supply chain around. So that's a positive for Kellogg, certainly. But the viewer stock pick was specifically they liked Kellogg because of the Kashi brand. Now, they've been trying to get this back on track since 2015. If you look at their latest earnings report for Kellogg's, that is a segment that is almost like a throwaway segment for them, unfortunately. And I'll post a link to this in the video description too. I just want to pull up their that segment that has that in there. Their specialty channels perform very well, but they've had some sales decline where they put that Kashi brand, and it's over in their other. They were able to increase the operating profit, which is good, but net sales are down. So that brand hasn't popped them yet. I don't know if it will in the future. It may be already put into the stock price at that multiple. It's at right now. It's a coin toss between Kellogg's and Texas Roadhouse. If I'll put them on the speculative list, or if I'll add Kellogg's to the viewer pick list. We'll see if we get a better pick this week. Kellogg's, I think they're a little pricey. They pay a good dividend. Long term, like their brands, maybe if they got knocked down a little bit, they would be a stronger investment pick, in my opinion. But right now, I'm giving the edge to Texas Roadhouse. I like them a little bit better. This week, send me your picks for basically food stocks or of any kind. We'd like to review them each week. Interested to hear what the viewers have to say. So let me know on your food stock picks. That's it for today's show. Thanks for watching. You can contact the show at Twitter, email, or check us out at YouTube. The info's behind me on the video screen. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already so that you get the latest investing news for gamers. Really like the growth of our channel, all the viewer picks that we've been getting in the comments. Please keep it up. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Welcome your feedback as we try and grow the community. That's our goal, and any feedback you give us will help make the show better. So I really appreciate it. Really appreciate everyone for watching, whether it's live or on the recap videos. So we will see you tomorrow. Thanks again for watching.